Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your add music not showing on your Instagram notes feature. So let's say that you have the Instagram notes feature available on your Instagram. You just don't know how you guys can add music. So let me first tell you how you guys can add music so you guys don't get confused. You might think I don't have the music feature available when basically you just don't know how to add music. So I'm going to teach that. But before that, hit that subscribe button to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. To add notes, just come on your Instagram chat page over here and click on your notes at the top, and you can see the little music icon right below your profile picture. You click on that, and from over here you can add music. But remember, the music feature is not available on all the countries. Some countries don't have this music feature available on Instagram. So if you don't have a normal music feature, like you can't post music on your Instagram story, then you cannot use it over here. So make sure you're not in a country where Instagram music is banned. But let's say you're in a country where Instagram music works, but you still don't see that music logo. In that case, update your Instagram. Sometimes you not updating your Instagram for a really long time causes this problem, so update your Instagram. And even after updating your Instagram, if it is not fixed, then a bug might be causing this problem. In that case, just delete your Instagram app from your phone and reinstall it again. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed by deleting and reinstalling your Instagram app. So yeah, that's how we guys can fix our add music not showing problem. And even after deleting and reinstalling your Instagram, if it is not fixed, the one way to fix this problem is, what you can do is click on a profile picture at the bottom, click on the three line at the top, and over here go on where it says settings, and over here where it says search, you want to write search for help. Click on report a problem, click on where it says report problem without shaking, click on where it says don't include and continue, and over here write your problem. I don't have a Instagram music feature on my Instagram notes, help me fix it. After you write or explain your problem at the top, you can see the send button, click on send, then Instagram staff will view it and help you fix your problem. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and bye bye.